TypeError, ObjectId is not JSON serializable. My response back from MongoDB after querying an aggregated function on document using Python, it returns valid response, and I can print it but cannot return it. Error. Print. But when I try to return, it is RESTful call. DB is well connected and collection is there too, and I got back valid expected result, but when I try to return it gives me JSON error. Any idea how to convert the response back into JSON? Thanks.
You should define your own JSON encoder in using it. It's also possible to use it in the following way.
Mongo provides JSON_util, you can use that one instead to handle JSON types.
Actual example from JSON_util. Unlike Flask's JSONify, dumps will return a string, so it cannot be used as a one-to-one replacement of Flask's JSONify. But this question shows that we can serialize using JSON_util.dumps, convert back to dict using JSON.loads, and finally call Flask's JSONify on it. Example, derived from previous question's answer. This solution will convert ObjectId and others, e-binary, code, etc., to a string equivalent such as $oid. JSON output would look like this.
Most users who receive the not JSON serializable error simply need to specify default equals str when using JSON.dumps. For example, this will force a conversion to str, preventing the error. Of course, then look at the generated output to confirm that it is what you need.